frustrated with slow downloads? Here's some good news. This video will show you an easy way to limit your Wi-Fi or mobile data speed right from your device settings. No extra apps needed. Let's get started. First, open up the settings, then scroll down to the bottom. Find the developer option. If you don't see the developer option there, then tap on About Phone. Next, tap on Software Information. Then tap on Build Number for 7 times. And then go back to the settings page. Under the About Phone option, you'll find the developer options. Then tap on it. Scroll down again. Here you'll find the Network Download Rate Limit option. Now tap on it. Here you'll find more options to limit download speeds like 128 kbps, 256 kbps, 1 mbps, and more. Now choose which download speed you want to set as a limit. Now you know how to easily manage your Samsung phone's download speed like a pro. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe for more useful tech tips. See you next time. Stay smart and stay connected.